Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the HP Officejet 4620. Now if you're having this specific problem where it's talking about there's a problem with printer or ink system, cleaning out the print head is a potential solution, and we're going to explore that today. This problem mainly has to do with the print head, so that's really what we're going to be focusing on today. And we're going to go through the cleaning system, which I have on a lot of other videos with the same printer as well, and we're going to see if that solves the problem. Okay, so to do this, you're going to need a cleaning kit. You can find a link to it in the description below, and it's going to come with a syringe and some cleaning solution. So once you have that, you're going to have some fitments, so you're not really going to have to do this. What I'm doing, this is just a generic one, just for the example, and you're going to just go over each nozzle like you would do if you were cleaning it normally. If you check my other videos, if you've had this problem in the past, you will see that exact same process what you're doing here. So you're just going over each one, and we're making sure that, because if anything is completely clogged, that is going to be causing that code. It's not going to allow you to print. Okay, so do this multiple times so that you are making sure it is completely cleaned. And this goes for any other printer. If you have a printer that is similar to this, you don't have this specific model, this is a solution that could potentially work for your model as well. Alright, so once you're done, go ahead and shut it off, and you're going to want to turn it back on to see if it solved the problem. Okay, so this apparently did not work. So if you're having a similar issue to this and it's giving you the same error message, you need a new printer. I would not take it to HP for support. I would go ahead and buy a new printer. Now if you wanted to upgrade, or if you wanted something that uses similar ink, I'm also going to leave some links in the description below for this printer and a few other printers that use similar ink. So there's a lot of resources down there. Also, if you want to just shop for a new printer, I have a lot of recommendations on my website, bestprinterstech.com. It's going to be somewhere on the screen here and also in the description below. Take advantage of all these resources I'm giving you, because that's going to be the cheapest and best way that you can solve this problem. So cleaning the print head could potentially, with other printers or other situations, it could fix it, but in this case it did not. So these are the steps you need to take to move forward. Unless you do want to give it to HP, send it over to them, but it is going to be pretty costly. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.